This is the Schindler. And whatever this thing is, Primark Roosevelt Field. Hey, here we go. Good motor? Oh, traction. Heck. Oh, talks. I want to say KONE installed this. Innovation Bruiser. Yeah, this has to be, the way it runs. Hold on, I want to see if it gives off that jolt again. This thing is large, actually. Oh my god. That is... This thing is running great. This is brand new, too. Now, I believe there's literally a Schindler. Don't ask. Don't ask. Oh, lights out. Jeez. Don't ask why there's literally two elevators not that far from each other. I don't know why they installed a Schindler with a KONE or something. Now, we're gonna listen to the motor on this. I am not exactly sure. There's Dick's Sporting Goods. Ethan helped me discover these, so credits to him. Alright, let's see if this has a good motor. I don't know much about this place. This probably just opened up. This replaced the old Bloomingdale's Furniture Gallery. Big bump. Don't ask about this unusual setup. And besides, there's literally another Schindler on the other side. Or if there is one on the other side. Yep, there's the KONE and there's the Schindler.